So let's do one more on this. There is an equation here, and it says the solution lies between 3 and 4. Okay, so 3 point something, you substitute in here, and the answer will come out to be 0. Of course, it'll be 3 point something going on forever. We only want to get the closest solution to one decimal place. Okay, so what we do, always go in the middle, yeah? So between 3 and 4 is 3.5. So then you just set up your calculator then, okay? So we've got here 2x cubed, so 2, and remember then bracket down for the x's, substituting in. So 3.5, close bracket cubed, plus then x3, which is 3.5, minus then 100. So if I do that, you'll get your fraction, so press the SD. So you can see this time it comes out to be minus 10.75. Well, of course, I wanted it to be 0, didn't I? Yeah, or obviously closer to 0 as possible. But it's negative on the number line, yeah? Which produces an answer which is clearly too low. So 3.5 is too low for us. We need to try higher value, yeah? So we'll run right here too low, okay? We need to try a higher value to get it towards that 0. So let's try 3.6, okay? So again, you know, just press that replay button back, change it to 6. You don't need to type it in again. And we get, well, again, it's negative. Look, SD button, so minus 3.088. So again, it's producing an answer which is too low in the number line. Okay, it's less than 0. So I need to, you know, 3.6 is too low. So let's try then a higher value, 3.7. Okay, let's go back here. Change that to 7, 3.7, and look what happens this time. SD button, we get a positive value, 5.006. Write it all down. Okay, obviously it's producing an answer which is too high, all right? But we can see now 3.6 is producing an answer which is too low, 3.7 too high. So by the side here, I sort of draw this number line just to sort of confirm things in my head, just to see things. So 3.6 is too low, 3.7 is too high. What you need to do is go in the middle. Okay, so between 3.6, 3.7, in the middle is 3.65. Let's type that into our calculator. Let's see what that is, right? So we go back. Okay, type that in, press equals, and I get, well, if I press the SD button, I get positive answers, don't I? Very close to 0, but it's not quite 0, isn't it? Okay, 0.90425, and clearly there, that is just a little bit too high again, yeah? But you're done now, right? You don't need to do any more values, okay, input any more values, because we've shown that's too high. Now, 3.65 is producing an answer which is too high. We need to go a bit lower, don't we? And a little bit lower means it's going to be around here somewhere. Okay, now I don't care where it is. You don't need to check 3.64, right? You don't need to check out 3.63. It doesn't matter. The fact is it's there somewhere, and if it's there somewhere, okay, it is between these two values. It's between 3.6 and 3.65, which means it rounds to 3.6 to one decimal place. It's closer to 3.6 there.